Big 8 corporate hotel. Hello.
Okay.
What's your name?
Mario.
Anything you want to say?
Thank you.
Thanks a lot, man.
Okay.
Room 602. Already came in and messed things up because I forget to film a lot. Honestly, it's not as nice as that last place. Will we open this? Probably. Oh, just a tiny bit. Got a fridge at least. Water heater, safe. No bathtub here, just a shower. Guess it's fine. I didn't use the last bathtub. It's almost twice as much money as the last place is 50 bucks. This is 80 bucks a night. Go figure. Little balcony out here, pretty much right next to the room. No smoking, of course, because that's how the fucking Philippines is these days. I don't smoke anymore, but still think everyone's going overboard with their smoking shit. It's a coffee shop. This is the parking area back here. Hey, here's a little bar area. TP. There's a gym, but there's people in there, so I'm not going to film too much. Here's the restaurant. It's not open right now.
But there's also bar inside.
Here's a pool. The 2-foot pool is closed. Why no one's swimming? It's not supposed to go in there. Yeah, so you want to stay here, I suggest you book it online. You could probably get it for almost half the price. At least 50 bucks a night, not 80.
Check on it. No.
Something there.
129 coffee shop. How are you guys?
Fine. Hello.
What's your name?
I'm Neil, sir.
Cool, how are you?
I'm good, sir.
What's your name?
Christine, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, sir. Thank you.
What's your name?
Philip.
How are you?
Fine, sir. Very good.
Cool, anything you guys want to say to the world?
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, world.
Hello, Philippines.
Room service here. That looks good. I asked for it well done and with a shit ton of cheese. We'll see how she goes. Yeah, so the phone never worked the whole time, so to get room service you have to go downstairs to the restaurant. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
I'm Jen, sir.
I'm Jimboy po.
I am Mars.
How are you guys?
We're good, sir. Thank you, sir.
Anything else you want to say?
No. Hello, guys.
They gave me free coffee when I left.
To his channel, Highway Hating. This guy, Highway
Subscribe. Click here.
Okay, on this trip, that was the only hotel that I did not book online. Oh, and it cost me like 80 bucks a night. Did not like that. I thought that was too expensive. And they forced you to buy the breakfast with it. Like, you can't get it without getting the breakfast with it, which I never like to get because it's usually honestly too expensive, 10 or 12 bucks. No thanks. So yeah, that was too much money. I would almost not recommend the hotel, but I'm pretty sure online you get it cheaper, like probably 40 or 50 bucks a night. The room service was good there. Unlike Apple View, I didn't care for the room service, but it wasn't 24 hours also like Apple View. You could order something anytime you want. But that hotel, it was okay. Nice pool. The food at the restaurant was okay. It was. The thing that pushed me over to recommending it was the staff was so damn friendly compared to the other hotels in Davao, in the Davao province. Staff was very, very friendly there. So yeah, I would recommend it. I wouldn't pay 80 bucks a night again though. Try to get it on Agoda or something, get it cheaper.